Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how to automatically log into a user account when turning on your MacBook. So how to do this? It's simple. Click on this little Apple icon on this corner and then select System Settings. Now scroll down to Users and Groups. This is it. And here you will see, first you will see your the available user accounts on your laptop. In my case, I only have this Air 15 user account. And here next to automatically log in as, you will see the current status as off. So click on it, switch it to the user account that you want to automatically log in on when you turn on your computer or MacBook. Here they will ask you for this account password, fill it and click on unlock. Then you will ask you for the password again. The first one, I think they unlock or they remove your account password. Click on OK after filling your password for the second time. Now let's test this automatic login. Okay, so first I will stop recording and then I will switch recording to my smartphone. But first let's, okay, to not remove this recording, I will stop it first, then click on restart. Let's restart it again. I'm now recording using my smartphone. And as you see, my laptop automatically logged as to my computer, and this is how to automatically log in when you turn on your MacBook. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.